Belle, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to be doing a tutorial. I'm trying. This is like my first time doing this, so if it turns out good, great. If it turns out bad, so this is a body wave wig that I have from IShow hair. I believe it's Brazilian hair, 24 inches, average cap size, and it is big head friendly. I have a 22-inch head. It fits me great. So that's the specs. I'm also going to put them down below in the description bar with a link to the wig and a discount code for you guys. I've been wanting to do curtain bangs for a very, very long time. They've been around for a long time. I've just been nervous about doing them. I'm going to try to do them today. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm going to be positive and putting positive vibes out there. So anyway, I just took my wig off and reapplied it because I wanted to wash it. So this is freshly washed hair, and she is still super duper soft. I was telling you guys in my last video that I had glued it down and I had been wearing it for quite a few days, and it was so soft, and it's still so soft. So I'm going to go ahead and brush out this hair because I haven't did that yet. So this is all the hair pulled to the front. It's not super thick. I do wish it was thicker, but it is like a nice natural fullness to the wig. And also the closure is really thick. I noticed when I was washing it, it's nice and full, and I really love that because like if you want to part it or play around with styling it, you do want to have a fuller closure. And I love the density of this closure. It has like a skin top part, which is like a silk lining underneath the netting on this wig. I haven't plucked mine, but you can definitely pluck yours if you want to. Okay, so let's just get into this because I'm nervous as all get out and I want to get this accomplished. So I'm going to section off the part of my hair that I want to cut. Okay. So I sectioned off this front piece, like a little bit of like a triangle almost. So let me comb it out. See what we have here. Okay, so make sure you have some hair cutting scissors. So you want to find out where you want to cut it at. I don't mind if you like right here. I'm going to cut it on the bottom. So we're going to cut off all this straggly hair here. Still a little too long. I'll cut a little bit shorter, just a little bit. Now I'm going to start putting some layers in it. If you want to, you can use a feathering comb. I'm just very quickly opening and closing the scissors. What I'm going to do too is just go in with the tips of the scissors and just feather this out. I like this part better. Look how short that is in the front. Let me do this on the side. Don't be scared, Melissa. Just chop it off. Okay, I'm gonna stop cutting before I actually butcher the crap out of this hair. So let me try curling it and see what it looks like. I'm going to use some of my Color Wow Mystical Shine Spray as a heat protectant. I'm gonna put like some random wavy curls in my hair with my flat iron. This is like giving me like 70s bombshell vibes. I'm loving how it looks. And I love too, like if I wanted to, like put my hair in a ponytail, I still have my little bangs here that are just so cute. And like I said, this is the Brazilian Body Wave wig from IShow Hair, or IShow Beauty Hair. IShow Hair Beauty. IShow Hair. I will put their information down below in the description bar for you, loves. Go check them out. This wig is super beautiful. And like I said, it's super duper soft and so freaking pretty. She does have combs and adjustable straps. This is a 4x4 closure wig. They do have lace front wigs in case you want to do a lace front wig. So I will link that down below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I love you so much. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.